In this video, we'll bring together everything we've learned so far by creating our first project, a simple interactive program that combines variables, input or output, conditional statements, loops, and more. This project will solidify your understanding and give you a practical application of the concepts. In this project, we'll create a basic interactive program where the user inputs a number representing a day of the week. The program will respond with the corresponding day, check if the day is a weekend or a weekday, and allow the user to continue or exit the program. Let's break down how we'll use control structures like if-else, switch case, loops, and more. Open code blocks and create a new project. Type the project name is project number 1. Open the main.cpp file. Let's first create the basic structure of the project. Define the integer variable is day. Define the character variable is choice. Initial instructions for the user. Print the initial message on the screen, "Welcome to the day checker program," using cout command. In this project, we use the do-while loop. The program logic goes here in later. Here we start to write the code of, ask the user if they want to continue. Display the message on the screen. Do you want to check another day? Y for yes, check again, and N for no. Exit the program. Read the choice from the user, yes or no, and store in choice variable. Repeat the loop when user press capital Y or small y, otherwise exit the program. Print out the message, "Thank you for using the program, goodbye," when user exit the program. Save, build, and run the project. Here is the output. Do you want to check another day? Type Y and press enter. Again ask, do you want to check another day? Type Y and press enter. Again ask, do you want to check another day? Type N and press enter. You see the message, "Thank you for using the program, goodbye." Next, we'll add the logic to check if the input number corresponds to a valid day, and then determine whether it's a weekday or a weekend. This is where our if-else and switch case statements come into play. Print the message on the screen. Enter a day of the week 1 to 7. Enter the number of the day and store in day variable. Check the condition if the day is less than 1 or greater than 7. Print the message on the screen. Invalid day. Please enter a number between 1 and 7. If the condition is true, write the switch statement and check the day. Check if case is 1. Print the message on the screen, Monday, and break the statement. Check if case is 2. Print the message on the screen, Tuesday, and break the statement. Check if case is 3. Print the message on the screen, Wednesday, and break the statement. Check if case is 4. Print the message on the screen, Thursday, and break the statement. Check if case is 5. Print the message on the screen, Friday, and break the statement. Check if case is 6. Print the message on the screen, Saturday, and break the statement. Check if case is 7. Print the message on the screen, Sunday, and break the statement. Save, build, and run the project. Here is an error. A semicolon is missed after the break. Write the semicolon and save, build, and run the project. Type 1 and press enter. You note that the Monday is displayed because the case 1 is true. Do you want to check another day? Type Y and press Enter. Again, message display. Enter a day of the week. Type 4 and press Enter. You note that the Thursday is display because the case for is true. Do you want to check another day? Type Y and press Enter. Again, message display. Enter a day of the week. Type 7 and press Enter. You note that the Sunday is display because the case 7 is true. Do you want to check another day? Type Y and press Enter. Again, message display. Enter a day of the week. Type 8 and press Enter. A message display. Invalid day. Please enter a number between 1 and 7. Do you want to check another day? Type in for no and press Enter. A thank you message display. Thank you for using the program. Goodbye. Now close this program. We've added a switch case structure to handle each day of the week. Additionally, we used an if-else statement to check if the entered day is valid and whether it's a weekend or a weekday. Okay, let's check if it's a weekend or a weekday. Using if-else statement, check if day is equal to 1 or 7. If condition is true, then display the message, it's a weekend. Else if condition is false, then display the message, it's a weekday. Save, build, and run this project. Message display. Enter a day of the week, type 7, and press Enter. The case 7 is true, and print Sunday. In this new added code, check if day is equal 1 or 7, then display, it's a weekend also. Do you want to check another day? Type Y and press Enter. Again, message display. Enter a day of the week. Type 3 and press Enter. Display the message, Wednesday, and also display, it's a weekday. Do you want to check another day? Type on and press Enter to exit the program. In this project, we combine several fundamental C++ concepts, including input or output operations, conditional statements, switch case, and loops. This simple program is a great example of how these concepts work together to create an interactive and functional application. By following along, you've seen how each piece fits into the larger puzzle. This project is a solid step toward building more complex applications in C++. Keep practicing and experimenting with different variations of this program to strengthen your understanding. We hope you enjoyed building this project with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more C++ programming tutorials. Let us know in the comments what projects you'd like to see next. Until then, keep coding and keep learning.